So another worksheet. This is the worksheet of air, sound air. And as for airplane, you have to trace it too. Alright, starting from the dot, go round, go up and down. This is how you make air, and you have to trace this sound and color the picture. You have to trace air and color the picture. So students, this is another worksheet of sound. L, L is for lion, and you have to trace L and color the lion. So students, this is another worksheet of an activity. Here all you have to do is to match the sounds with the pictures, with the correct pictures. So what picture is it? It's a cat, it's a lion, it's an orange, it's an apple. L, O, K, A. So you have to match the sound with the correct picture. Alright? And you also have to color the picture very nicely.